Day 11. I'm eating wings. Ah. I had my first real day at my new job. It's probably the easiest job I've ever had. Pretty much I just walked around all day and made it look like I was doing something. And I was told to walk around all day and just make it look like I was doing something.
We had IHOP for lunch.
We did. I took Stephanie out to IHOP for lunch. What are you doing?
I got incense. He wants to play. The wings have smelled up the room so bad. So it did smell like honeysuckle, and now it smells like wings. Nasty, gross.
But they're
Barbecue
delicious.
and garlic wings. I had Sonic and a cat. Oh, you made it all blurry. Okay. And we're watching Grey's Anatomy. That's a funny looking face. He's just had surgery and stuff. Long story.
I didn't.
Long story.
Get back. Get back.
We don't want to spoil it. Anyways. Pretty much. Yeah, he's really happy about his wings. Nothing has gone on all day. I've been working on a birthday list, and I had to completely restart the computer and erased it.
And I worked all day.
And I have to figure out what I'm going to do. I want The Sims 3, but I don't want to spend $50 to get it. And I think our computer can handle it, and I did a recommendation thing, and it said that it was more than qualified to handle it. Steve mowed the lawn. We updated our cards for the Bank of America. We are going to get rid of debt.
I'm giving these.
Anna's walking around with just a towel and some jeans
I'm giving
on.
these to you for now, but Robert might need them.
Put them beside the flag.
I have literally been sitting in the bathtub shaving.
I got spikes now for all of them.
This is the first time my hair's been down and wet for a very long time. Yeah, maybe tomorrow I can go and get my name changed at the Social Security office, and then work for me. I have to close. I have a really big gash in the back part of my cheek. And I'm getting fat. And I need to make a doctor's appointment. Because I feel like I'm dying. Something that none of you people would probably like to hear. So anyways, that's all.
See you tomorrow.
How many of those are you gonna eat, baby?
20.
Is that how many you got?
No. What day is it? 16. 15? 15, it's Sunday.
Yep, 15.
Day 15. Stephanie and I didn't work today, so we spent the day together because we haven't had a day off together in a while.
Didn't go to church either.
We watched some TV and had Chinese food.
And tried to clean.
And we cleaned up, or Stephanie cleaned up some trash. I guess technically it's day 16 because it's after midnight.
Josh has to work in the morning, and he looks like an old grandma because he's reading this book on this computer thing with a light, and he covered himself up to the neck
I
with
lost
a blanket.
my book light, so I have to use the computer light. You want to see how bright this thing is?
Oh, what movie is that? Oh, it looks cool now. Come back. Oh.
Anyways, that was our day. We hung out together.
Our cat has been trying to play and snuggle all day. Like, I was asleep, and he decided to lay all the way up next to me. And Josh tried to kill him by rolling over on top of him. Like, he was under the blanket, and Josh rolled.
I don't remember this at all.
And he also smacked the crap out of him.
Which I also don't remember.
Because all I heard was meowing, and then he can't, or no, he was clawing the side of the bed, and then I hear Josh just go, "No!" And like smacking the crap out of him. But he's all the way over there right now.
I think he sees a bug.
I don't know.
Kitty!
Spunkmeyer! Oh, that's not weird. That's what Josh has been doing for like the last 5-10 minutes. Just playing with him. I guess it's good because then he tires him out quicker, and then he's tired and wants to go to sleep. And he doesn't want to play. But anyways, that's all.
Yep, see you tomorrow.
Yep, bye. Okay.
Ah!
I was sitting there, we were both being quiet, and I hear Spunkmeyer like jump, and then I see Josh flinch. All because this little animal, where I don't know where he went. Oh, there he is.
He's right there.
He's in between the bed and the trash. I wasn't kidding whenever he said that he wants to play. Because that's what he likes to do best.
You don't like it when it goes the other way, do you? Come back. Come back.
God.
He bit me.
Yep. This is us on a regular night. Alright. That was all.
Wait.
Here, I'll let you see one more big pounce.